UKGBC has a mission to radically improve the sustainability of the built environment by mitigating against and adapting to climate change. The UK urgently needs to decarbonise its built environment, which influences 42% and has direct control over 25% of our total greenhouse gas emissions. At COP26, UKGBC launched the Whole Life Carbon Roadmap, a common vision and agreed actions for achieving net zero carbon in the construction, operation and demolition of buildings and infrastructure in the UK. This includes a science-based carbon trajectory to achieve net zero carbon by 2050, and 5 key priorities which government and industry need to support and implement across the sector in order to deliver net zero for the built environment. One of the key priorities is energy performance disclosure for non-domestic buildings. This is vital as the non-domestic building stock currently represents 23% of built environment carbon emissions. We need to see significant improvements in energy efficiency across all sectors, which can be achieved through mandatory energy disclosure and moving towards performance-based rating systems. A performance-based approach is essential to providing an accurate representation of a building's energy efficiency, which our current legal energy efficiency indicators, energy performance certificates or EPCs, do not provide. To successfully reduce emissions from this part of the sector, we need the retrofit and optimization of our existing building stock, a managed transition away from fossil fuel heating towards low-carbon alternatives such as heat pumps, while maximizing on-site renewables. Some key policy recommendations for non-domestic buildings include ending the sale of gas and oil boilers by 2030, the introduction of the planned performance-based rating system for large office buildings, including mandatory energy performance disclosure, minimum standards and fiscal incentives for large office buildings, removing VAT on refurbishment works where energy performance targets are met, whereas industry action should focus on ensuring all buildings have a bespoke energy performance pathway that is aligned with maintenance and investment plans. Whilst energy performance disclosure for non-domestic buildings is a critical component to focus on, there are 4 other key priority areas which should be tackled. Look out for our other videos exploring each of these key priorities in more detail. To find out more about the roadmap, please visit our website.